So today we're going to find the missing side lengths for a rectangle. And this particular rectangle has a perimeter of 10 units. What does perimeter mean again? Perimeter means the distance around a shape. So starting from here, going all the way around, you count the length. One thing we know for sure, this side length is the same as this side's length, because it's a rectangle and they have equal sides lengths. This top side's length is the same as the bottom side's length. So that's important, because what we can do is we can take this whole perimeter and split it up into halves. This would be half right here, and this would be a second half right here. And here's how you do it. Let's split the 10 in half. So what's half of 10? Since we know it's 10 all around, half of 10 is 5 units. So we know that this side, the length of these two sides, must be 5. And we know the length of these two sides must be 5, because 5 plus 5 is 10, and that's the perimeter. We also know that this side length is 2. So if this side's length is 2, and both of these make 5, what's the red side's length? That's right, it's 3. And obviously, since this is 3, the top side's length is 3. And since the left side's length is 2, the right side's length is 2. So we'll mark those down there, and we just figured out the lengths of all the missing sides of the rectangle. Let's try another one. This time we have a rectangle with a perimeter of 20 units and a side length of 6. So again, we know that these two lengths, the sides lengths, plus these two sides lengths make 20. So let's look at just half. Okay, what's half of 20? Half of 20 is 10. So we know that this 6 plus the blue makes 10. And this blue side plus the red side makes 10 as well. So all we have to figure out is this missing blue side. 6 plus what equals 10? That's right, it's 4. So this half of the rectangle's perimeter is 10. And now we know that the opposite sides are the same. So that's a real quick trick in finding missing side lengths. Oops, sorry. And you can use that for any rectangle you're working with. As long as you have the perimeter and as long as you have one side's length, you can find the other 3 missing sides lengths. I hope that helps.